Children, check your homework. Your homework was change into all 9 tenses and passives. And the given sentence was the boy opens the door. So while doing such homework, you have to change the tense also and then change into passive form also. Whenever you change the tense of a sentence, the tense rule is to be applied all over, and when you change the voice of a sentence, the active passive rule is to be applied. So number 1, the boy opens the door. This is simple present, so you have to apply the rule of simple present in change of subject and object. So the door is your new subject. Rule of simple present is applied, is opened. Okay, so this is subject, this is verb, this is object. The door over here, opens becomes is opened according to the rule and by the boy over here. So the door is opened by the boy. Now come over here. Change into simple past. The boy opened the door. See. Second form of the verb applied. No change of subject and object when you are changing the tense. No change of subject and object when you are changing the tense. Okay? Only the rule of tense will be applied. Now when you are changing the tense, it's changing the voice from active to passive. Active passive rule will be applied along with the change of subject and object. So the door comes over here. Opened will become was opened, isn't it? So this is your subject over here, this is verb and this is object. So this becomes your new subject, was opened verb and by the boy object. Understood? Number 3, the boy will open the door. This is verb. See, the verb is most important. Where you go wrong. Now the door comes over here, your new subject, and the boy will go over here by the boy. Apply the rule of simple future. Will be opened. Will be, shall be plus third form of the verb. So will be opened. Next, number 4, present continuous. The boy is opening the door. See, this is verb. Again the door comes over here. Apply the rule. Is being opened. See, being by the boy. So the door is being opened by the boy. Number 5, the boy was opening the door. Past continuous. The door comes over here. Was opening will become was being opened by the boy over here. Number 6, the boy will be opening the door. I told you that future continuous cannot be changed. This is future continuous and it cannot be changed into passive form. So now comes present perfect. The boy has opened the door. Okay, same, rest is same, only verb is changing all over. The door has been opened. Now see over here, this is been in perfect tense. Every time I am saying that, explaining you the difference between been and being. In continuous, being is used and in perfect, been is used. Third form is used in both. Here has, have, had is used. Here was, were, is used. Okay. So the door has been opened by the boy. Now past perfect. The boy had opened the door. Same way, the door will come first as your new subject over here. Rule applied. Had plus been plus third form of the verb. So had been opened by the boy. This is your new verb. Number 9. The boy will have opened the door. This is your verb. This is subject. This is object. Now again the door will come. Apply the rule of future perfect. Will have, shall have plus been plus third form of the verb by the boy. Okay, hope it is now clear to you. Children, check your homework. Change into passive voice. I hope by this time you have learned the rules of tenses also and active passive also, because without learning it is not possible to change sentences into passive or from passive to active, isn't it? Because first of all you must know how to identify the tense of a sentence. Only when you identify the tense of a sentence you will be able to apply the rule of that particular tense. Now your first sentence is I shall collect wildflowers. Now shall collect is the verb and The verb is showing that this is simple future. Okay, now how to change into passive? Divide, always you must divide the sentence into 3 or 4 parts. 3 parts means subject, verb and object. Always ask question to find object. Shall collect what? Wildflowers is the answer, so it is object. Okay, don't guess objects. You must always be very logical when you are doing grammar. Understood? Now interchange. Now wildflowers will come as the subject in the passive voice. Okay, and the rule of simple future will be applied, and the rule is will be, shall be plus third form of the verb. So wildflowers will be collected by, not I, me. As an object you will always write objective case of pronouns, not nominative case, and as a subject you will write nominative case or subjective case, both are same. We cannot start a sentence with me, us, him, them. Okay, they are all objective case and they come after the verb. We always start sentences with I, we, they, he, she. Okay, so they are nominative case, subjective case. So will be collected. Wildflowers will be collected by me. Now see this change. Here because I is there, shall is written. But over here because your subject is changed, so will be is written. Understood? So take care of all these things. Number 2, she is writing a letter. She is subject, doer of the action. Writing what? A letter, object. This is present continuous, isn't it? Present continuous. So the rule of present continuous will be applied. And the rule of present continuous is or am plus being plus third form of the verb. Because letter is singular, is there, then being, then third form of the verb. Is being written by her, not she, by her. Number 3, who punished you? I told you whenever in a question, the question starts with who will be changed as by whom. Who is considered as an object. Punished whom? You. This is object over here, and this is showing that it is simple past. So object will come over here, subject will become object. So by whom is your new subject. Punished, simple past, was, were plus third form of the verb, because this is your new subject, so were is to be written. Okay, this is your object, who subject has become by whom object, and this is your new subject, so were is written according to you. Were is written according to you. So by whom were you punished? Never write by whom you were punished. By whom were you punished? First part of the verb will come before the subject. Next, the man killed the snake with a stick. Now see, the man, doer of the action, subject, killed, verb, killed what? The snake, object. This is extra. Okay, this is not object. So your sentence will start passive with this, the snake, not with a snake. The snake, simple past, was killed, was, were plus third form of the verb, singular, so was killed, doer of the action, so by will be written, the man with a stick. Number 5, the little girl sang a lovely song. Doer of the action, the little girl, subject, verb, sang what? A lovely song, object. So this whole is your object, children, not only song. So a lovely song will be your new subject. Okay, then sang is second form of the verb. So this is simple past. The rule of simple past will be applied just like this. Singular, so was, sung. Third form of sing is sing, sang, sung. Was sung by the little girl. Okay, So I hope it is now clear to you. I will send you more sentences tomorrow. Children, check your work now. Change into passive. Number 1, she sent me a book of stories. First of all, as I told you every time, that you have to divide the sentence at least into 3 parts: subject, verb, and object. Okay, you can have one object, you can have two objects, and every time for finding the objects, you must ask question using what or whom. Now, see over here, this is she is subject over here. Okay, because the sentence is talking about her, so she is the subject and she is the doer of the action. So when the subject is the doer of the action, so it is active form of the verb. Sent is verb, the action done. Sent to whom? Me. Sent what? A book of stories. This whole is object, not only one, this whole. So this one word can also be an object and a phrase can also be an object. Okay, so we can start now. As I told you that we can start with any of the objects. So let me first start with indirect object. You know that when you, whatever object gives you the answer whom is indirect object, and the object which comes by the question what is direct object. So sent to whom? Me. Sent what? A book of stories. This is indirect object, this is direct object. So me in subjective case, nominative case will become I. We cannot start a sentence with me. So I. Now this you have to check the second part is that you have to check the tense of the sentence. Only when you know the tense of the sentence, you can apply the rule. This is sent simple past. So the rule of simple past is was, were plus third form of the verb. With I, were cannot be written, so was will be written. So sent will become was sent. Third form is also sent. So I was sent. Then the second object will come a book of stories, and then this will become your new object with by over here, by her. I was sent a book of stories by her. Now, if I start with a book of stories, see what will happen. So this has come as an object. Same, was sent will remain was sent. Now don't think stories. This is a book. Okay, a book is your main subject. So you will not see stories. A book is a singular noun, and so was is to be picked. Okay, and then to me by her. Okay, see the verbs are same. Number 2, who will arrange the tickets? I told you who is considered as subject. Okay, so who over here will become by whom as an object. Here this is subject, here it is becoming object. This will arrange is your verb and this is your object. So here this will become subject. So this is object because by is written before you. Subject has become object. Now will arrange, the rule is will be, shall be plus third form of the verb. So in question we will never write these two verbs together. We will write the first part before the subject. This is your new subject. Okay. So by whom will the tickets be arranged? Not by whom the tickets will be arranged. 0. Next, number 3. The company was promoting a new product. The company subject was promoting verb, a new product object, was promoting what? A new product. So this is object. Okay, so this a new product will be your new subject. Understood? So a new product. Now what is the tense over here? Past continuous. So you have to apply the rule of past continuous, and the rule is was, were plus being plus third form of the verb. Now I have chosen over here was. Why? Because this is singular. Plus being. Remember this ing will come over here. Was being, and the third form of promote is promoted. So was being promoted by the company. This one will come over here. A new product was being promoted by the company. Now number 4. I shall post these letters tomorrow. Now I is the subject over here. Shall post verb. Shall post what? These letters. Object. Tomorrow is extra. Okay. So tomorrow extra will be added at the end. So these letters will be your new subject over here. This is shall post simple future. Rule of simple future is will be, shall be plus third form of the verb. Now with I, shall is written, but with letters it will become will be posted. Will be plus third form of the verb. See this. Shall post has become will be posted. By I as an objective case has become me. This is object over here now. These and tomorrow added at the end. These letters will be posted by me tomorrow. Now see number 5. The strong wind blows the trees down. This is subject. The sentence is talking about strong wind, so this is subject. This is action, so this is verb. Okay. And blows what? The trees. Object. Down will go along with the verb. So your object will become the subject. The trees has become. Now what are the three forms of blow? Blow, blew, blown. So third form is blown. Trees plural. So were is written over here. So sorry children, this will be are. Blows is here. So you have to write are over here. The trees are blown down by the strong wind. Blows simple present. So rule of simple present will be applied. Is are am plus third form of the verb. The trees is plural, so are is chosen over here. Third form of the verb. This extra has come along with the preposition, will always go along with the verb. By the strong wind. Okay, this is the doer of the action as the new object. Now, number 6. She has sold her old car. Now, she is the doer of the action, so this is subject over here. Sold what? Her old car is object. Has sold is verb. What is the tense? Present perfect. So rule of present perfect will be applied. Her old car is your new subject over here. What is the rule of present perfect? Has been, has, have plus been plus third form of the verb. Because car is singular, so has plus been plus third form of the verb. Has been sold by her. She as an objective case will become her. Number 7. Rohan was planting some flowers. Okay. So Rohan subject, was planting verb, and some flowers object. Was planting what? Some flowers. So some flowers is your new subject. Was planting is past continuous, so rule of past continuous will be applied. Okay. So what is the rule? Was, were plus being plus third form of the verb. Flowers plural, so were. Rohan was singular, so was. Then being, then third form of the verb is planted. Were being planted by Rohan. This is your new object. Next, why did you punish him? This is little typical. Now, why did punish is your verb children. Okay, and did punish is showing that it is simple past. Now I told you, if the question word is who, you will copy it, you will straight away change who into by whom. But if this question word is something else, why, when, where, how, then the same question word will be copied first, because that question word is not a subject. Here this is your subject and this is your object. Okay. Here you have only, where is it? This was your subject and this was your object. Okay, nothing else was there. But here you have, this is the question word. This is your subject and this is your object and this is your verb. See, so the first part of the verb has come before the subject. So what is the rule of simple past? Was, were plus third form of the verb. So here also, this him has become he as the subject over here. Okay, this him has come as he over here. Okay, and this you has gone over here as your object. Understood? Subject has become object and object has become subject. And did punish has become was punished. See this. So why was he punished by you? Next, our soldiers were repairing the bridge. Our soldiers, subject, were repairing, verb, were repairing what? The bridge. Object. Now this will be your new subject, the bridge. Now this is plural, so were is written over here, but this is singular, bridge, so was, then was being repaired. Were repairing will has become was being repaired. Was, were plus being plus third form of the verb, by our soldiers. Okay, so was being repaired. I hope by now the lesson is clear to you. Children, practice a lot from your book. Copy down sentences which I have been giving you in a rough copy and try to do and match your answers.